The journey towards a healthier lifestyle and weight loss is often challenging with numerous factors. The role of what we drink in our daily lives often gets overlooked. In this video, we will delve into 6 specific drinks which comes with properties that can assist in reducing belly fat. Number 1. Green tea. Green tea is well known globally for its health benefits, particularly its effectiveness in weight loss and burning belly fat. Its secret lies in its high concentration of catechins, a type of antioxidant that boosts the body's metabolism and enhances its ability to burn fat. Beyond its fat-burning capabilities, green tea is also known for its role in improving overall health. Regular consumption of green tea has been linked to a reduced risk of several diseases, including heart disease and certain types of cancer. Number 2. Lemon water. Lemon water is a simple, effective drink for aiding in weight loss and digestion. The combination of water and lemon is high in vitamin C and antioxidants, which helps improve digestion and boost metabolism. Its refreshing taste and detoxifying properties also make it a popular choice for those looking for a natural way to improve their health and reduce belly fat. Number 3. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which has been shown to reduce fat storage, improve metabolism, and decrease appetite. Many people consume it diluted in water, often with a bit of honey, as a part of their daily diet. It has been a home remedy for various health issues for centuries. Its popularity in modern times as a weight loss aid and health supplement has only added to its reputation as a versatile and beneficial addition to a balanced diet. Number 4. Ginger tea. Ginger tea, made from the ginger root, is a warm, spicy beverage known for its medicinal properties. The main bioactive compound in ginger, gingerol, has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, which are beneficial for health. These properties help boost metabolism and promote the burning of fat. Ginger has been a part of traditional medicine in various cultures, especially in Asia, for centuries. Ginger tea can be enjoyed on its own or with added ingredients like honey or lemon, making it a comforting and therapeutic beverage. Number 5. High-protein drinks. In the world of fitness and nutrition, high-protein drinks have emerged as vital allies in the quest for a leaner, stronger physique. From gym exercise to athletes, these protein-packed drinks offer an effective way to fuel workouts, support muscle recovery, and add weight loss. With their potent blend of protein and essential nutrients, high-protein drinks help individuals to all ages achieve their health and fitness goals. Number 6. Vegetable juice. Juicing your vegetables is an excellent way to increase your intake of essential nutrients while supporting your weight loss efforts. Vegetable juice is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, providing a nutrient-dense option that can help you feel satisfied and energized. Incorporating a variety of vegetables into your juice, such as leafy greens, carrots, and cucumbers, ensures a diverse array of nutrients that support overall health and well-being. Additionally, the fiber content in vegetable juice can help regulate blood sugar levels and aid in digestion. Experiment with different combinations and flavors to find your favorite recipes, and consider adding herbs and spices for extra flavor and health benefits. As we conclude our exploration of these 6 drinks that can burn belly fat, it's important to remember that achieving and maintaining a healthy weight is not just about what you consume, but also about lifestyle choices and overall balances. They are most effective when combined with a nutritious diet, regular exercise, and adequate rest.